Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unmute someone's WhatsApp status updates on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, simply go ahead, access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface, right? So whenever somebody adds on the updates, if they are friends with you and if you have a constant chat, you will in this update section, which is in the bottom left of your screen, you will find the updates right over there, right? So for example, this particular user has it and we can see we have muted this user. Now we're going to tap on him and tap on this user, and now we can find their update. Tap on this three dot icon on top right, and you can find the unmute option on top. Tap on it, tap on this unmute. Now their updates are unmute, and whenever they update anything, I will be able to check out here over here in the update section easily. So that is simply the way for you to unmute. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.